Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yuk.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
So
wabarakatuh.
guys, good morning. Today I want to talk about something simple about living in your life. Sometimes we compare ourselves to other people. We see friends who are smarter, who more talented, more confident, and more successful. And then we start thinking, maybe I'm not good enough. But the truth is, everyone has their own journey and their own dreaming of life in life. Not everyone becomes successful quickly. Some people need more time to grow. Some people need more time to learn, need more time to improve, and this completely okay. A flower does not bloom at the same time as another flower, but every flower is still beautiful in its own way. There will be moments when we fail. Maybe we get a bad grade, make mistakes, lost opportunities, or feel left behind. But failure does not mean we are useless. Every successful person has failed many times before reach their goal. What makes them different is that they keep trying again. Sometimes the biggest enemy is not other people, but it's our own fear. Fear of failing, fear of being judged, fear of not being perfect. Confidence does not come from being perfect. Confidence comes from having the courage to keep going even when things are difficult. Or start appreciating yourself more, celebrating a small thing of your progress. Maybe today you are not the best yet, but at least you are improving. You are improving. Apple small and even small step still move you forward. Remember that you don't need to become someone else to be valuable. You already have your own strength, your own talent, and your own potential. Believe in the progress. Believe in yourself, and never stop to try growing up. Because one day, all the hard work, all the struggle, and all the effort you make today will become something meaningful in future. Okay. So, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.